guys, so I made it out around the harbor. I'm gonna take you down now to one of my favorite places on the entire planet. I think this is, like, let's just call it right now, my favorite place on the planet. Okay, so where would it be? Where would it be? You ready to see what it looks like? This is Island Cove in Scie, Newfoundland, where I'm from, and this is where I spent pretty much every single day of my summer, I think, growing up, just being around the beach, enjoying the ocean and everything that it would kick up. So you guys ready to see it? I'm gonna flip it around and take you on my travels with me. I haven't been down here in a few years, and so since the last time I was home, so it's pretty exciting to go back. And because you're on a cliff in the I have to tell you, in the North Atlantic, it's probably gonna get a little bit windy, so I'm gonna flip the camera around so at least you can see the views. Okay, got it. Hello, Linda. All right, ready to see it? It's so beautiful, so beautiful. It's so good to be home. And there you go. Yay! So what do you guys think? What do you think? What do you think? This is why they call it the Rock, right? Newfoundland, the Rock. Lots of just raw beauty. It's an island, so you do have to fly to it, or take a ferry, in my case, like I did, and travel 7 hours north to get here, but it is so worth it. Heading down with my family. There's my nephew Jaden. So you take all the steps to get down to it. Of course, there's many times, yes, that I hung out here and I would climb the rocks. Oh yes, absolutely. Oh, when those rocks would like hit your ankles. Not fun, not fun. But you know what, if you've ever heard me talk about going to sandy beaches in the US, which is now where I make my home outside of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. But if we go like on the East Coast beaches and stuff, I'm not used to sandy beaches because you see, they are nothing but beach rocks. They're like big, big rocks. And so this is my aunt and my sister sitting out here right now, and this is what I used to do. Take a blanket, sit out here in the summer, play in the water, you know, see if you can see. So do you see? Nothing but beach rocks, okay? So when I see all those pictures circulating around, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, we could paint some rocks. I'm thinking of back home, thinking like, all the rocks I could possibly paint. And yes, I used to paint rocks. I can remember I used to sell them at the museum, Mom's Museum, and do all kinds of things on them, right? But yeah. What kind of rock is it? See, there's my nephews doing exactly what we used to do when I was younger. So you can come out here and you can have fires on the beach, which is fun. You can have what's called boil-ups or cook-ups. How's the view? Beautiful, huh? They can't hear me. They're so close to the ocean, the roar. You had to buy rocks to paint. Teresa, that is the most funniest thing I've ever heard. Yeah, right? But yeah, you see all the rocks here? This is, yeah, this is just one part of the place, like around the coast, that you can walk to, which has made it so nice. You can actually go up on top of the coastline as well and look out. And right up there, I'm pretty sure that this is the one that has the face in the rock. Let me see if I can come close to it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a face in the side of the rock up here. Can you see the face? See if you can see the face. You see the nose? The mouth is open right there. Can you see that? Yeah, right? So that's pretty cool. Well, I'll take you down to the water. And but yeah, so it's really fun because when I was young, I would driftwood up through here to find interesting rocks. And what are you guys doing? Skipping rocks? Get down here. It's amazing how the water is so powerful that it can, like, the ocean just pushes this all up, right? Lower tide right now. I used to walk out here, like the water would be so low that you could get access to over there, and then you couldn't be trapped, right? You couldn't be trapped. This is why you often see me paint distressed and very beach-like kind of stuff. It's because I can't help it. Can't hide what's inside. Look at that beautiful view. So sometimes we'd be here playing in the cove in the summertime, laying on the rocks, trying to avoid all the creepy spiders. And because let me just tell you, there's some ugly creatures that live under these rocks. And then if Dad would come in with his boat right here, You'd swim in this area right here. I kind of like would have a marker how far out you could go, just an idea. And then I'd jump aboard and get a ride with him, go around the point here and go right into the bay where Scie, which connects with the last video I did to kind of show you where the harbor point is. Yeah, we sit out here and let you guys enjoy the sounds of the water. It's so beautiful. Trail on the top, and it will bring you right out to the very front point down here as well. But this is where I'd sit in the summer, and you see all the fishermen come by, and you watch all the boats come in. And like I say, if you saw your father, you try to flag him down to see if he would pick you up and give you a ride back. Come out here, skip rocks, collect rocks to paint. Let me just tell you, lug them rocks back. Yeah, I've done that many times. And then, let's see if we can see any jellyfish or anything in the water. See if there's anything to see. Oh, there's a jellyfish right there. It's a red one. Let's see if I can bring it in without slipping down, right? Gotta get my sea legs again. All right, ready to see a red jellyfish? Let me see if I can find him. Where'd he go? On camera. When you see him red, let me know. Let me see. There he is, jellyfish right there. You see him? Am I on him there? Come in, Mr. Jellyfish, even closer. You see him? Where'd he go? He's right there drifting. Oh, there he is. You see him? He would be like right up here. It's a red jellyfish. Coming in. Coming in right there. Oh, I know that's not focused. You see him in the water? Probably see him now. So yeah, the jellyfish. Oh, I always thought jellyfish were so cool. Alright, and there's starfish you can see. And urchins and stuff. So I'd come down here and see what you could find in the water and stuff, which is so cool. And there he goes. He's coming to the top of the water. This is actually what's called squid jigging season, so you might see some boats pull in that are red jellyfish. How cool, right? But you might see some boats pull in because they're out jigging what's called squid, where squid comes out of the ocean and then you dry it or you bake with it. Matt's going to do some stuff this week. We'll probably do like a live cooking show with him doing that, which would be fun. And see what's around on the beach. This was always what I do. I'd be like, okay, where does all this stuff like collect to? Like all the garbage of the ocean? Yes, there have been people who have found bottles that have washed up here with boats on other parts of the world. And I can remember even sending out bottles when I was younger. Just seeing if anybody would find them, put my address in a bottle, and seeing where it would go, right? But yeah, you can come down here and you can see like what the water kicks up, and sometimes you find like glass. So I would look like, for example, here's a piece of coral right here. You know, you ever see those little feed beads with crab shells right now? But yeah, have you ever seen like, you know, parts of coral again right here in the ocean floor? So after like it gets really rough out there, the ocean can really churn up some amazing things. So you never know what you'll find. That camera here, I would collect these and glue them on stuff. But you can also find sea glass out here. So, you know, just broken plates and things like that have been in the ocean, and for whatever reason they made their way to the currents, and then they get all like pummeled with all these rocks and everything else, and then you can find some really neat stuff. There's a little shell right there. What does it do? So I'm going to look and see if I can find some sea glass while I'm out here today. You've just been seeing those pictures that you could do. Okay, so imagine, yeah, you'll get lots of pebbles around here. You definitely do some pebble. You just walk, right? Oh, there's some sea glass. Here's a piece of green. There you go. There's some green sea sea glass right there. So sometimes you find plates, sometimes you find I love it when I find the really like the light mint stuff. This is more of the green, maybe it came from an old bottle, an old green bottle. Yeah. You walk through here, get your shelves, you go home and you create, and you make something, right? I used to always love finding the rocks as well that you could, the rocks that you could use even like chalk to mark on something else with. Other big rocks with. Pretty amazing view, huh? Thank you, Wendy. Oh, Kristen, you make jewelry. Oh, absolutely. It's fun, right? Like it's like a treasure hunt. Just seeing what you can find in all these rocks. All these rocks. Oh, there's jellyfish right there. He's now a pile of pudge because he got kicked up. He got, look at that, guys. Never ever touch a jellyfish so they sting. But yeah, so there you go. He's not alive anymore. He's just a jellyfish that got kicked up from the ocean and he landed himself on the beach. But yeah, you see them in all kinds of different colors and stuff, right? Which is so cool. And feathers. I used to do stuff with feathers. I don't know. It's fun. It's like a treasure hunt when you come to a beach and just look and see. You never know what you're going to find, right? I mean, it's true. Think about all the things that go into the ocean. And so strange to see a rocky beach. Yeah, this is why I say I never, the beaches that are in the eastern U.S. that I've seen always amaze me because they are not rocky. Totally different, right? Really? Oh yeah, look at that beautiful view. Oh my gosh, so awesome. So awesome. So you can see like the tradition of the fun that people have had coming out and putting their name on the rocks and things like that in the year that they were here. And I can remember when this was all before Mother Nature really did it, right? What did I think? I thought tropical, amazing paradise beaches, Teresa. That's what I saw when I saw the U.S. beaches. I've never seen anything like it because this is very cold, right? Like this is colder climate. So we have shorter summers up here, very, very cold winters. I mean, there was a frost warning up here not that long ago in the last few weeks. And so, yeah, so to get up here to the island before it transitions into really cold fall, winter weather is good because you never know it can snow at any given time, right? Like, we can do weird things up here. So, you enjoy the summer when you had a chance to enjoy the summer. But it goes, so yeah. I'm probably going to climb those rocks up there now and go up on top. So cool. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Alright, there's my nephews. The mountain goats. But see, that's how you grow up, right? You have fun. Climbing and do those things. So we didn't have trees to climb. We just climbed the rocks. I used to climb right here all the time, I can remember. We would play and create rooms and pretend that we had stuff going on. Like that was your house that you lived in, and oh yeah, all that fun stuff. Oh, Sharon, it is beautiful fresh air right here. Gorgeous. Yeah, if I could bring some rocks home, right? The heaviest thing ever to haul. There was nothing worse when you came out here and you found good rocks because you wanted to paint them, but then you had to lug them home. Not easy, because then when you lugged all the rocks home, you have to get them all the way up over there, right? Yeah, goats, yes, like mountain goats, right? But no, those are my nephews. Those are not real goats. Yeah. So pretty. So not much going on out here. It's just pretty serene. Pretty serene. So I think tomorrow we get to paint Mom's hutch and table. Gonna go home tonight and pick out the colors for her. So we'll do that live tomorrow on my page. And then take you maybe somewhere else so you can see the views. There's some beautiful, beautiful places around here I'd love to share with you guys. And plus get it all on camera for our YouTube channel and working on some beautiful things for that as well. So make sure you're followed us on YouTube if you want to see a whole lot more of Newfoundland and what it would be like. Because if you're planning a visit, this would be an awesome place to come visit. It's very rugged, very cold. I hear seagulls. Here are the seagulls. Newfoundland. So you would take a 7-hour ferry north from Nova Scotia to get here. Yeah, right? Beautiful. You might have seen some blue glass. There's all kinds of glass around here. Yep. So everything just pummeled in all this rocks. It all comes across here, gets pummeled, and then it just lays here and you can, you know, create stuff with it. I got a ton last trip I was home and started making things with it. Love it, love it, love it. So nice. So I think I'm going to join my sister and my aunt and probably go trek the hills behind me and maybe go out to this point out here so I can see. That'll be a point that shows me like wide open area and be able to see the Horse Islands and the Grey Islands from there. So I'm going to take a look, go out there and take a look, but yay! Hopefully you saw something you've never seen before today, feeling a little bit inspired. Maybe you'll get out and paint a rock. Who knows? But isn't this beautiful, guys? Thank you for following me on this journey, and I'll see you tomorrow where we get to do some painting, and I'll get to give Mom what will feel like a whole new dining room set, and we'll do it live together. How does that sound? Sound good? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Get out, do some painting, and go visit somewhere you've never seen before. It is so good to be home. A whole week of home, painting and home. Like, it's gonna be awesome. All right, I'll see you guys again soon tomorrow. Bye.